Hi, I'm Kamesh, lead developer advocate at Snowflake. Today, I wish to show you a small demo about Polaris Local Forge kit, a toolkit that I developed to get started with Apache Polaris and Iceberg on your laptops in less than 5 minutes. Let's get started. The goal here is infrastructure as intended on your laptop. To run this, you just need Docker or Podman, K3D, Python, and Task. We are using Apache Polaris as a REST catalog and RustFS as our S3 compatible storage layer. By the end of this, we will have a working Iceberg catalog running locally with real data loaded. Instead of spending 30 minutes wiring services together, this command gets you straight to a working environment. I will run the setup into a dedicated directory. That's the entire stack. Catalog, storage, cluster, ready? It also verified everything is intact by loading some sample penguins data into our Iceberg. Now let's see what we have built. To celebrate Apache Polaris graduating to a top-level project, I've added a little something extra to this kit. Since Snowflake originally contributed Polaris, I wanted to show it working alongside Snowflake's Cortex Code agent. Instead of raw SQL, I'm just going to talk to the data. I'm on my project directory. Let's start Cortex. And let's query the namespaces. Since I added the Polaris Local Forge skill, it knows to go query my PolarDB catalog and get only one namespace that we have, which is wildlife. I want to see what tables are in it. You see, it picks up the right query to do that. There you go. We just have only one, the penguins data that we loaded. Let's make it a little interesting. I want to see what all the penguins I have. Okay, so I'm just going to say show my penguins by species. You also see that it recovers from errors. Tries to find the right query that I need to execute. And finally, it found the right query that needs to be executed and gives me penguins by species. So we have Adley 146, Gentoo 119, Chinstub 68. Just like that, the human readable intent turned into data insights. And last but not the least, if you want to share your setup rather than just the intent with your friends, all you need to say is export manifest to have a rerunnable manifest for your colleague's machine. Let's say yes. And you see the Polaris Local Forge shared manifest is ready on your project directory. This is how you export it. I hope you like this video. I'm curious to know what all possibilities and experiments these can open up for you. If you really like it, give me a star on GitHub. I'm actively developing this kit, so expect more integrations and workflows to be weaved in. Thank you so much for watching.